Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an ideal drone for first-time pilots and aerial photography enthusiasts who want high-quality imaging in a lightweight, easy-to-fly package. Weighing just 249 grams, the Flip is under the FAA registration threshold, so you can take to the skies immediately without extra paperwork. Safety features are built in, including propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors, helping you avoid collisions while learning or exploring new flight maneuvers. Who it's for? Beginners. With its lightweight design, simple controls, and obstacle protection, the DJI Flip is perfect for those new to drones. Its intuitive operation allows for smooth takeoffs, stable flights, and controlled landings, giving beginners confidence from the first flight. Photography and video enthusiasts, the Flip's camera delivers outstanding image quality, keeping pace with flagship smartphones. Capture sharp 12MP or 48MP photos and shoot cinematic, stabilized 4K video at 60 frames per second. The camera supports DNG RAW format for advanced photo editing and a flat D-Log-M video profile, providing professional-grade flexibility in post-production. Recreational flyers, lightweight and portable, the Flip is perfect for hobbyists who enjoy flying for fun. Its compact size and multiple control options, dedicated remote, smartphone app, or onboard controls make it adaptable to any flying style. Specifications. Dimensions: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: 48MP, integrated with gimbal. Video: 4K 60, internal or micro SDXC storage. Live video feed: 1080p. Controls: smartphone/tablet app or dedicated remote with LCD. Whether you're just starting out or exploring aerial photography seriously, the DJI Flip combines performance, safety, and versatility in one compact drone. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is an outstanding entry-level drone that combines portability, safety, and impressive camera performance in a lightweight design. Weighing just 249 grams, it flies under the FAA registration threshold, so you can get airborne quickly after completing the simple online knowledge test. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 offers advanced features like GPS stabilization, Find My Drone, and Return to Home, ensuring safe and reliable flights every time. Camera and imaging. Equipped with a 12MP camera and f1.7 optics, the Mini 3 captures sharp photos in JPG or RAW DNG formats and performs well in low-light conditions at dawn and dusk. Video recording is equally impressive, supporting 4K 30 footage with an HDR look and a flexible 60-degree upward tilt. Its ability to switch between vertical and horizontal orientations makes it perfect for social media content creators who need both widescreen and tall video formats in a single flight. Who it's for? Recreational flyers, ideal for hobbyists who enjoy flying for fun. The Mini 3's lightweight design and GPS stabilization provide easy, stress-free piloting without FAA registration. Content creators, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. The drone's 4K camera and vertical shooting capability allow for creative, versatile filming on the go. Licensed pilots, the Mini 3 supports remote ID, making it suitable for commercial drone operators with an FAA SUAS certificate. Pair it with the optional extended battery for up to 51 minutes of flight in full compliance with professional requirements. Specifications. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: 12MP, integrated with gimbal. Video: 4K, micro SDXC storage. Live feed: 1080p. Remote: dedicated with app or LCD. Compact, reliable, and versatile, the DJI Mini 3 is a top choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial imagery with ease. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that high-quality drones aren't limited to big-name brands. This lightweight 249G quadcopter flies under FAA registration requirements, making it easy to take off and start flying right away. Despite its compact size, it packs a powerful 4K 30 camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal, delivering smooth, stable video footage and crisp still images. Photographers can shoot in 12MP or 48MP resolutions, with the option to capture raw DNG files for advanced post-processing. The Atom 2 also includes a remote ID module, making it suitable for commercial use by licensed drone pilots. Who it's for? Beginners. The Atom 2 is an excellent choice for first-time drone pilots. It comes with a dedicated remote control, delivers stabilized 4K video, and captures detailed photos. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying allows beginners to enjoy safe, reliable flights. Its attractive price point makes it a great entry-level option without compromising on performance. Recreational flyers, hobbyists will appreciate the Atom 2's lightweight design. Weighing just 249G, it does not require FAA registration, making casual flying simple and convenient. Licensed pilots, unique among sub-250G drones, the Atom 2 includes built-in remote ID. This makes it compliant for commercial applications, including real estate photography, monetized content creation, stock footage, and other professional aerial work. Specifications. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: 48MP, integrated with gimbal. Video: 4K, microSD storage. Live feed, 1080p. Remote, dedicated with app. With its combination of portability, camera quality, and professional-grade features, the Potensic Atom 2 is a versatile drone suitable for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an ideal drone for users who want a compact, easy-to-fly quadcopter for selfies and landscape videos. Lightweight and portable, the Neo features built-in propeller guards, allowing you to safely launch and land from the palm of your hand. Its integrated 4K camera delivers smooth, steady video, while 12MP photos are perfect for social media sharing. The drone can fly for up to 18 minutes on a full charge, offering enough time to capture a variety of shots. Pilots can control it using a smartphone app or opt for a dedicated remote control sold separately, giving flexible flight options. Although its video profile is simpler than higher-end DJI models, it performs well for casual content creation, and the $199 starting price makes it an excellent value. Who it's for? Beginners. The DJI Neo is perfect for new pilots. Its lightweight design, automated flight paths, and intuitive controls let the drone practically fly itself. Propeller guards add extra safety, while palm takeoff and landing make every flight worry-free. FAA registration isn't required, and the price is budget-friendly. Selfie enthusiasts, the Neo's on-drone controls allow you to take selfies and short videos quickly without needing a remote or app. It's ideal for capturing spontaneous moments to share online. Recreational flyers, weighing only 4.8 ounces, the Neo is exempt from FAA registration. Users can fly it manually via a smartphone or purchase a dedicated remote for extended control and range. Note that it does not include remote ID, so it's not suited for commercial pilots. Specifications. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: 12MP, integrated with gimbal. Video: 4K, internal storage. Live feed: 1080p. Remote: smartphone/tablet app. The DJI Neo is a fun, affordable, and compact drone that makes capturing selfies and casual aerial videos effortless. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. First-person view, FPV, drones deliver a completely immersive flying experience, and the DJI Avata 2 takes it to a new level. By transmitting an ultra-low latency live feed from its camera directly to a pair of goggles, the drone puts you in the cockpit of a nimble aircraft capable of weaving through tight gaps and executing breathtaking stunts like flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical plunges. Unlike standard camera drones, FPV drones prioritize speed, agility, and excitement over pristine landscape photography, creating an adrenaline-fueled flying experience. Piloting an FPV drone is challenging, as you lose the safety nets and anti-crash systems common in traditional drones. Speeds are higher, and reactions must be faster, but the Avata 2 makes it more beginner-friendly. It captures smooth, high-quality video at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, and its motion-sensitive controller allows pilots to brake and hover midair, reducing the risk of crashes compared with manual twin-stick controls. The Avata 2 goggles are impressive, offering crystal-clear imagery through micro-OLED screens. They include adjustable eyepieces for interpupillary distance and a diopter for vision correction, making them comfortable even for pilots with poor eyesight. Flying the Avata 2 is like learning to ride a bike with training wheels. You can perform most maneuvers safely, but extreme stunts, such as steep dives, require the optional DJI Remote Controller 3. This gamepad-style controller unlocks advanced maneuvers for pilots ready to push the limits. With its combination of immersive FPV flight, high-quality video, and forgiving controls, the DJI Avata 2 is an excellent entry point into the world of FPV drones for both beginners and experienced pilots seeking excitement.